Madan bin Abi Talha says that Hazrat Umar bin Khattab radiyallahu anhu delivered a sermon on Friday, talked about the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam and Hazrat Abu Bakr radiyallahu anhu, and then said, I am not leaving anything behind me more important than Kalala. I about no issue asked Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam as many questions as I asked about Kalala, and Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam as well in replying anything did not show as much strictness as he sallallahu alaihi wasallam showed in this case. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam, even poking his finger into my chest, said, O Umar, is not the said words at the end of the chapter Nisad sufficient for you? Hazrat Umar radiyallahu anhu said, if I remain alive, I will give such a decree about Kalala as every person, whether he reads the Quran or not, will thereby be able to take a decision. Sahih Muslim Hadees number 4126.